This is our next problem. This is our next problem. The edges of a cube are 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. Find the volume of the cube. Find the volume of the cube. So if we check the cuboid, volume of the cuboid, volume of the cuboid. So just we will try to take the diagram of cube. This is front face. Front face. If you take something like this, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. If L, B, H are equal, it is called a cube. If they are not equal, then it is called a cuboid. It is called a cuboid. So volume of cuboid, it is L into B into H, which is nothing but 4 into 5 into 6. We are having 120. All these are 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So it will be centimeter cube. It will be centimeter cube. This is the answer. If it is a cube, then L into L into L. All the three sides are equal. So L into L into L, L cube will be the answer. L cube will be the answer. I am going to next problem. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. Find the roots of the quadratic equation. So the equation here, it is typing mistake. 2x square plus 3x minus 9 equal to 0. Find the roots. 2x square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0. This is the given equation. And we can take the roots as x values. We can calculate minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And this is a value, ax square. The general format of the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the general format. So x values, we will get 2 values because x square is the highest degree of x is 2. Highest power for x is 2. So 2 roots are possible for x. So minus b means minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 into ac. ac means c value is minus 9. Okay. So that minus into minus will become plus, and 9 into 2 is 18 divided by 2a means 2 into 2 is 4. And here we will be getting minus 3 plus or minus 9 plus 32, 3, 7, and then we are having 4. This is minus 3 plus or minus square root of 81 divided by 4. And we have 2 roots. Minus 3 plus 9 divided by 4 is 1 root. Minus 3 minus 9 divided by 4 is another root. So here it is 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2 positive. And here it is minus 12 by 4, which is minus 3. Minus 3 by plus 3 by 2 and minus 3 is the answer. Plus 3 by 2 and minus 3 is the answer. Option B is the answer we are getting here. So 2 values for x because it is a quadratic equation. 2 values for x because it is quadratic equation. I am going to next problem. The sum and product of the roots of quadratic equation. The equation again, it is typing mistake. X square plus 20x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation, x square plus 20x plus 3 equal to 0. So generally, if x square coefficient is 1, if the roots are a and b, we will assume let the roots be a and b. And in that case, the equation will be x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. If 2 roots are there. If 3 roots are present, a, b, c, then the highest power of x will be 3. In that case, it is x cube minus sum of the roots into x square plus product of two roots a, b, b, c, c, a into x, then again alternatively plus and minus will come, product of the roots equal to 0. Okay, so this is case 1, what I am assuming 2 roots are present. This is case 2, what I am assuming 3 roots are present. 3 roots are present, then this will be the thing. Case 1, 2 roots. Case 2, it is 3 roots. But in our case, equation 1 is having our highest power of x is 2, so only 2 roots are possible. Okay, only 2 roots are possible. Only 2 roots are possible. And the given equation is x square plus 20x plus 3 equal to 0. This is given equation. This is given equation. So here I can write it minus of minus 20x plus 3 equal to 0. This minus 20, okay, this minus 20 is nothing but sum of the roots. This minus 20 is nothing but sum of the roots. And plus 3 is nothing but product of the roots. Here I am taking minus of minus 20. And this minus 20 is nothing but sum of the roots. This plus 3 is nothing but product of the roots. Okay. Now you can check among the given options. Among given options, sum of the roots should be minus 20. Product of the roots should be plus 3. Sum of the roots minus 20. Product of the roots should be plus 3. So we don't have any of such possibility here. So the answer is none of this. In this question, answer is none of this. I will move on to next problem. I will move on to next problem. A circle with center O is shown in the diagram. A circle with center O is shown in the diagram. A rectangle PQRS of maximum possible area is inscribed inside the circle. If the radius of the circle is A, then the area of the shaded portion. This radius, this is alpha given here, but it is A. Radius of the circle is A. Okay. Then the area of the shaded portion. So this is the shaded portion. Outside the rectangle, it is the shaded portion. Okay. So this question is given in GATE 2020 in EC paper. Last year EC paper, this question is given. And here how to proceed? What is the radius of? We know that radius of circle is A. Radius of circle is A. So area of circle is nothing but pi A square. Area of circle is pi A square. And if we see coming to the rectangle, it is PQRS is the rectangle. PQRS is the rectangle. If you see the diagonal of rectangle can be identified from the radius of circle. Diagonal of rectangle can be identified or can be calculated from the radius of the circle. And the thing is, here you can extend, this is also radius of the circle, which becomes A. So diagonal of rectangle is nothing but 2 times A. Diagonal of rectangle is nothing but 2 times A. And now if you see in rectangle, square root of SP square plus PQ square is nothing but this diagonal square, 2A whole square is nothing but this diagonal whole square, because if you consider right angle triangle, so this is 1, this is 2. If you take right angle triangle 1, then the sides square root of, okay, square of the sides is nothing but square of the hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse square. So I have to remove the square root on left side, because what I am doing is square of the sides is nothing but square of the hypotenuse. Okay, square of the sides is nothing but square of. You can kindly do along with me if you are getting. Kindly post in the chat box. So SP square plus PQ square is nothing but 2A whole square. What I am trying to write, side square plus side square is nothing but hypotenuse square. Okay. So if I put a square root on both sides, whether it is required or not, square root on both sides. And these two sides are equal because they seem to be, because it is a rectangle inscribed inside a square. Okay, rectangle is inside the circle. Inside the circle. So this rectangle is nothing but a square, which means the sides are equal. SP square, it is equal to PQ square. SP square equal to PQ square. So I will make this as area of circle equation number 1, and I will make this as equation 2. Now equation 2, what I can write, it is SP square plus SP square is nothing but 2A whole square, because it is square. That is the reason it is able to fit in correctly inside the circle. So it is 2 times SP square side square equals nothing but 2A whole square, and it is 2 times SP square equal to 4A square. So SP square is nothing but 2A square, and SP value is nothing but A into root 2, which means side of the rectangle. Each side of rectangle. Each side of rectangle, all the 4 sides are equal because it is a square. Okay, because it is a square, all the 4 sides are equal. Now what I am going to do, area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is nothing but area of circle minus area of rectangle. Okay, and area of circle is pi a square. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, all the sides are of equal length. So a root 2 into a root 2. All the 4 sides are equal because it is a square. Okay, and now what happens here? Pi a square minus 2 times a square. Pi a square minus 2 times a square. Option A is the correct answer. Step 1, what we have done, we have considered the circle and we have calculated the area of circle. Step 2, we have done some analysis on rectangle, and finally we calculated the side of the rectangle. All the 4 sides are equal. In step 3, what we are doing, area of shaded region we are trying to calculate, which is area of circle minus area of the rectangle. We got option A as the correct answer, pi a square minus 2a square.